What's up, guys? What's up? I almost messed up the microphone. What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. What is going on? What is going on, everyone? I think I'm the only idiot that is doing like their watch list stock thing for the week, like during the damn fucking Super Bowl, dude. Like, no one. I didn't even think about it, man. Like, I feel like I considered canceling it, and I was like, no, I can't cancel it, and I feel bad, guys. So I hope you guys got the game up, and I hope you guys are multitasking, and I appreciate you guys being here with me. So I don't know who's everyone going for. I actually have the game here on the other monitor looking at it. So It's pretty cool. I've seen so Gronkowski already has two touchdowns. Pretty cool. So, um, what's up, guys? Kimmy, Armando, what's up? Steve, what's up? I think I've seen Danny and Hot Potato in here. What's up? What's up? Welcome to the Sunday STOCKcast, guys. We do this every Sunday to get ready for the week. We go over some technical analysis. If you have any questions on your trading or just any general questions, I could help you out with that. Also, we'll make a watch list for the week on what we think is going to run and what is going to perform really well this week. And my name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader over at newagewallstreet.com. We're primarily an options trading community. We do trade some equities and small caps if we're feeling froggy during that time, but that is mostly what we do, and we do it pretty damn good, if I could say so myself. This week is a little bit crazy because I need to get into the website. We're announcing the stuff for the PS5 giveaway. So I have to get Darren. Oh, there it is. All right. So let me figure out how we'll go. We'll go ahead and do this here first before we get into this here. Okay. Cool. So. All right, so I ran it through. It looks like it already ran it through automatically here, guys. So I wish I had like a drum roll or something that we could go ahead and do. So there was 3 winners. So the first one is Frito Salad at iCloud.com. I don't know who that is. I don't know if I should even be putting this on here, like to be putting on their stuff. But oh well, like you guys go spam them, send them New Age Wall Street stuff. I really don't care. Fam Giangi 88 at live, and then Juan Lava Seats. I hope they're traders. I hope they're not just whatever. But this is the main prize, the winner for the PS5. This will be second, and then this will be third here. So this is a free annual 3 months of mentorship with me, and then also the annual membership. All right, awesome guys. So we'll. I'll get them to send me a picture or whatever for them to they got the stuff. Cool. If you guys are gonna call out tickers, Victor, what's up? What nice to see you, dude. Mike, I believe it's Serge. Oh, I didn't even show my screen. Good. I didn't show my screen so you guys didn't see the people's emails, but damn, we'll go ahead and do it, you guys. We'll just go ahead and do it here real quick. Just 1 second. So these were the winners. Frito Salad. Here's the first one. Fam Jiang. Juan Lava Seats is the third place winner. So I'll go ahead and get a hold of them and see if they're even traders and they're interested in it. So hopefully they send me some pictures of them getting the PS5 and actually enjoying it and things like that. So because I'm ready to take it home. I really wanted I need to get one for myself as well. But awesome guys. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, that's it. So we got that done. Last announcement is that the lifetime membership for $299, that's going to expire tomorrow at the market open. So if you have not signed up for a membership as of yet, $299 for the lifetime, and also the monthly and the monthly and the annual are also highly discounted as well. So if you guys want to sign up, learn how to trade and kick ass in the market, then go ahead and sign up. We'll get you rocking and rolling tomorrow, right? So that'll go. The prices will change back tomorrow. Now, so that's that, and then let's get into some trades, guys. I see this Serge is really excited here, already calling out this MGNI. If you guys are going to call out tickers, please tell me what you see as value in these tickers. I am not afraid to tell you what I really think and be transparent with you. And the reason I say this is because this chart is bullshit. I don't see. I mean, it's up. I mean, it's definitely strong, but there's no setup here. I mean, this thing broke out here over this 46, and it's already extended at this 56. There's nothing. I mean, we need a pullback in order to be able to do anything. It hasn't really flagged and gone sideways as of yet. It's only like this one day, right? I mean, it needs to pull back in order for you to be able to take in. It's too extended. So that's what I say about that one. They're acquiring a company, so I mean, I would bet this gets back down to $50 tomorrow. Yeah, I'd probably bet on it to go back down to $50 if anything. So that's on that one. Let's see here. Baba's gonna break out this week. You're saying so, Baba. So we got a lot of earnings going on this week here, guys. I know that in my chat, some guys were posting about the earnings and stuff. Let me go ahead and get that chart up here somewhere. Here it is. So these are the earnings for this week here, guys. Tomorrow, there's Hasbro. Nothing really I'm interested in tomorrow. Corsair. Someone actually called out Corsair on one of the STOCKcast the other day, and I actually like it. It's CRSR, right? I think. I thought it was gonna break out this day right here where this came up. And I really do like this. I think that Corsair is doing really good with the e-gaming. Look at this hammer candle right here. So I'll be watching this tomorrow. Let me make sure it's on my watch list. Actually, let me go ahead and put some alerts here. Create an alert. And we'll put it like 47 right here. So for it to break above this all-time highs, what may happen is it may like double top at this 50, pull back, and then break above it. But earnings on Tuesday for that one. So I like this chart on Corsair. So there's that one. Especially with the whole pandemic stuff and everything, everyone's playing video games, dude. I even have my headset here, dude. Like, these are badass. These are a badass set of cans, dude. These are Corsair. They're wireless and they actually go all the way over your ear. So, I like them, dude. Let me see. Lyft, Mattel, Cisco, Twitter will be interesting. Let's look at the Twitter chart here real quick. Oops. Ooh, yeah. So this Twitter is just broke out. It looks like last 2 days, right? So, yeah, I like Twitter to keep on going up as well. So, keeping this on watch. And then let me bring up some flow algo here. Let's look at some flow for Twitter too. So let me bring this one over here. Flow algo. Touchdown Tampa, 7-14 now. I think it's going to be a barn burner, bro. It does have flow. Let me check it out here. $20.14. Awesome, guys. So, yeah, dude, this is some pretty nice flow. These are a little bit further out. So, July, June. Yeah, those are way further out, though. I don't really like that. So, but definitely some really nice flow in here. So, these are pretty nice. These are February 5th. Those already expired. These are February 12th, which is this week, I believe. Here's some other ones. Yeah, so there's definitely some flow in here. There's some from back in July, back in January, so yeah, we'll watch Twitter then for that after the close on Tuesday and Wednesday. ZYNGA is ZNGA. I don't know how you say the Zynga, whatever. These guys have been getting a whole lot of flow, guys, and this is one that I wanted to get to $12. It had a little bit of a hard time at this 11, pulled back. It's just a slow mover though, so needs to break out of 11 and stay above that. That's a good one. Uber, iRobot. Disney, dude. So someone had called out Disney yesterday in the chat. In our study session, I really do like this right here. So this gap up, we have like kind of like this compression flag going sideways right here. So if I were to come like on this bigger time frame, right? So you could see where we have like this weekly flag, and then we have this all-time highs where we could break out, and I think 200 is going to be the magnet on that one. Okay. Cool. Then let's see here. Yeti, Kellogg's. That's all I'm looking. I think that's Cloudflare. That's good too. Yeah. So those are good. So I'm gonna make like a little list here for myself just so I could keep track, because sometimes I forget them the next day. So so far I have Twitter, and then I also have Disney, and then CRSR, right? Corsair, and that's it. Cool. Who's trading? Dude, I still don't know how to say it. Is it Dogecoin, Dogecoin? Who has Dogecoin? Walmart, I have 2143 calls. I grabbed them at the dip on Friday. I like the daily on the chart. Decided to snap an entry in the 1 minute. Appreciate your thoughts on it. So yeah, so Walmart, I heard the flow coming through on Walmart as well here, dude. Actually, I really do like this chart here as well. So looking at this bigger time frame, right? So this is actually way big, but on this daily one, we're kind of getting like where we have this sideways action, where you could see on this weekly chart, we're starting to signal compression on this weekly chart. So we need to hold this 140, which it's proven it's going to, and this could start curling back up to try to press to this 150 and then break out and then continue going. So it's almost like a bigger flag right here. It's not really that tight. It did peak up and then come back. So you would like to see this kind of curl back around and break above this 150. It's going to take some time though. I don't see your expiration date, but I do like this setup here on Walmart. I do like it. So I don't know when they report earnings, but that'll be interesting, especially with their Walmart Plus stuff that's been going on. That'll be definitely interesting. Touchdown, SNDL or Clove. I like SNDL. So one of you guys called out SNDL on the STOCKcast a couple, like a week or two ago, I think. And I said it had to stay above 80 in order for it to go, and it did. It proved itself right here, and got up to about 130. Now we're having this distribution here. We got to put in some accumulation to break above and push for 150. So I do like this. It's going to take a little bit of time though. That goes Twitter, Clove, CLOV. I don't know, dude. I don't really like this chart, to be 100% honest. So what I'm seeing here is that we have this like resistance area right here, right? So this is you can see where this acted as support. It pulled up, acted support. This is going to act as resistance here, and you could already see that it kind of didn't want to even go up to this level, right? So break over the 13 or 1350. It has to prove to get over that 1350 level in order for it to keep on going on this Clove. All right, I think Potato really likes that Clove one, if I'm not mistaken. Acor, ACOR. Oh, this is a really nice flag right here, and this is also like a big macro cup and handle. So cup, handle, and then we need to break above this like 850. Yep, 850 right here, and for this to continue going. But this looks like a kind of a BS like Biofarm company, right? Yeah, so Wedbush backs a Cordial Therapeutics Chelsea facility for sale. So they're over here selling their facilities and stuff, bro. Oh, this is back in January. Yeah, I don't like this one, dude. I don't see what the, if you're gonna call out tickers, please tell me what your motivation and what your thesis is for your trade, because I don't like this one either. And I'm gonna give you a 3-strike rule. If you call out 3 stupid tickers, I'm gonna kick you out of here too. Doshi, whatever. BTC, I looked at it and it was over 40K yesterday. Oh, I pulled back. Having trouble with this 40K right here, bro. Everyone keeps on taking profit there, I think. So equities, got the clove dip manipulation, 100 commons going to sell, call. Awesome, that would be a good deal on clove. All right. GME, Dogan, AMC. I'm not even paying attention to that whole AMC stuff anymore, dude. I have one particular idiot on my comment section on the YouTube video, bro, that just won't shut up, dude. Like, I mean, you lost, go home, dude. Like, and then I told him, if you didn't lost, then go ahead and post your P&L and I'll make a public apology video, dude. But you think he's gonna do it? Nope. I bet you this thing opens up under 6 tomorrow, dude. Serious. AMC, yeah, and then GME as well. I think they come out of being in SSR tomorrow too. So GME under this $50 would be absolutely awesome. But I'm not even gonna pull them up tomorrow or anything. So GME going to 4,200. That's it, Mike. You're out of here. Just kidding, brother. AKAM. Let's see what this company does here, dude. Akamai to acquire Canada-based inverse for underglows. What does this company do? They're on a solid uptrend. It just looks like pretty slow. So yeah. Can you compare ZI with MGI? So just real quick on this one here, this AKAM. It's kind of, the thing is that, so you had a really nice compression right here, where it bottomed out, right? And you could see where it started signaling right here in the TTM. You got your MACD cross. So that's our trigger. So if this opens up a little bit lower, maybe 114, 113, absolutely fucking load the boat on this right here on this bigger macro setup with the profit target of like 120. But if it opens up, gap up, dude, you got to wait for a pullback to get in, because this already extended a little bit off of the support a little bit. So it could come back down to this 111 and then you're kind of screwed. So wait for that pullback and then get in on this one, the AKM. That's just on the technical reading this chart here, dude. I don't know exactly everything that they do, but this is a really nice support here, trigger, and then for this to go up. Cool. ZI. Yeah, man. I don't. Serge, you're gonna have to tell me why you like these tickers here, bro. Are you just looking for tickers that are up? Like, how are you scanning for tickers? Like, I don't know. Are you going somewhere and they're just telling you that this is gonna go to the moon? Because the tickers that you're calling out, they are up. They are strong tickers, but there's not a setup. This already moved without you. It has to pull back in order for you to get in. So, So if this pops up here towards the 60 and pulls back, absolutely go ahead and get in. So if it, I would say more like in, actually let me change this right here. So more like in this area right here. So if we were to pull back to this 55 to 52 area, I would even say like this top one right here. So up right there. So 50, yeah, about 55. Then absolutely go ahead and get in, and for this to go ahead and move up. But this, it's already moved here from 45 to 58. So what is that, like 20% or something like that? Without you, and you want to take this trade, it has to pull back in order for you to get in. It's too strong. All right. SKLZ. This one's really extended as well. I don't know what these people do. They're like a video game thing. Yeah, this one that was really strong, and it looks like they got some news here, and it popped up. So I would want to watch what happens at $50 if it gets there, but pretty extended here so far right now on this bigger time frame. RQ, yeah, one of Kathy's ETF. I definitely like Kathy. So someone's gonna have to educate me a little bit better on this. Is it SBES, like that, or SBE? Yeah, and the whole SPAC thing, dude. The SPACs, or I don't even know how to say that. The people say it or whatever, but switchback energy acquisition. Yeah. So on the macro, I could see where this is a huge compression, right? So I kind of when it swung around, but right here. So yeah, this is, I'm gonna put this on my list here. My list. Oops, I don't know what I did. SBE. Cool. All right. Is what you're doing day trading, or do you invest in stocks for the long term? I'm new here, total noob. Enjoy the content though. Yeah, so I just day trade, dude. So no investing. So it's I think that's a thing of new people think that like I'm investing. So I would consider investing buy and hold, like a strategy more like what Warren Buffett does, or what have you. Typically my trades last anywhere between like 5 minutes and on the long side 20 minutes to a half hour, and I consider like 30 minutes in a trade like a lifetime. That's a long-term investment for me. That's like an IRA for me. So I'm just in and out really quick. I call what I do nailing and bailing, and that's just my type of style. Now there are a lot of guys, and also my strategy does work for swinging tickers. I just don't do it particularly, but there are guys in my room that do that. KMPH, I heard this one. I think Bags was calling this one out the other day. Yep. So this one's a beauty right here, brother. You can see what you're looking at right here. FDA clearance to initiate KP80s for stimulant use disorder. The thing is that when I traded these small caps, dude, back in the day, bro, these are worded to be able to pump the ticker. Like they never actually get FDA approval. Like 90% of those drugs never get FDA approval, and it's just a pump to be able to sell an offering into. But technically, if we're just playing this technically on what we're looking at, obviously we have the gap up to this level, so it could get from the 734 or 780 75 or whatever it is right here to the $8 above here, so 808. So I mean 50 cents, but I wouldn't even get out of bed for this, to be honest, dude. money going into low floats. The thing is that because it's all these the like smaller people like on Robinhood and things like that. They're the ones they can't afford to play any. They can't afford to buy any meaningful shares of Apple or Tesla or anything like that, dude. Like that's why all the small caps are being pumped like that. But I'm not gonna play that, dude. Absolutely, Marshall. We'd love to have you. If you need anything directly, dude, don't hesitate to send me an email. My email's cruise@newagewallstreet.com. If you have any type of questions or anything, brother, we'll get you started. All right. Nice. AIM probably fantastic for pancreatic. Also be fantastic for pancreatic cancer. Um, uh, they just completed an offering, bro. Yeah, they have capital issues, dude. Like, they almost couldn't even fund their clinical trials, bro. Um, and that's not even me pulling up the filings. So I don't know, dude. There was obviously a pump up here within the last week. This has just kind of been going sideways and ranging for a very long time. If I come over to our chat, let me see. Let me see. So the float is 40 million, so not too small. It could definitely start getting up there, dude. But I don't like this, bro. NKTR, but if you can't break above, should I sell? I won't ever tell you to if you should sell or buy, bro. You should be able to make conscious decisions on your own. We're all adults here. Um, what I am saying, so on this NKTR, dude, it's so crazy, bro. Like, how the market has just gone totally different. Like, when I play these, we just shorted the fucking shit out of them, bro. Like, and now you guys want to chase all these up to the moon. Dude, I can't wait to start shorting the shit out of everything, dude. So the market's going to cycle eventually. And you're going to try to pump everything up, bro. And there's going to be too much selling pressure in order for things to, you're going to expect things to break out the way that they used to, and you run the way that they used to, and I'm going to be sitting there with the sell order, and you're not going to be able to pass it, and you're going to be in deep ass trouble. And I'm drooling at the opportunity when it comes. Yeah, that's throw this on the garbage for you guys. So like for you guys that trade these smaller tickers like this, like that are trading like just a couple shares or what have you, because it's what you could afford. Learn how to trade options on some reputable companies, guys. Like then you don't have to worry about the moves being so erratic, and then you have to have some type of catalyst. I mean, you could trade decent tickers with options and get nice volatility on those moves, man. Like you don't have to chase every type of pump and dump little biofarm company. You know what I mean? AIM probably fantastic, bro. NKTR. On is it when you write CA, you mean cancer, bro? Like I'm all for, so that was the only caveat. So that was our only rule. Whenever we traded small caps, you never short a fucking cancer drug, FDA approval, clinical trial, anything like that. Cancer news is bullish as fuck, bro. Like anything that gets any type of cancer news, approve like FDA, fast track designation, things like that. You don't fuck around and try to short those, dude. You get ran the fuck over, dude, on those. So that was the only rule that we did have. So cancer, Alzheimer's, diabetes, those were the three that we didn't mess with as far as shorting, because you will get ran over. All right. Nope, not happening. All right. So let's. So I didn't even look at the futures or anything as of yet. I do want to look at them. Where you usually set your stop loss, so you got to step. So that's a loaded question. So a little bit vague. So it depends on the trade that you're taking, right? So let's look at this ES here real quick, and then I'll answer that. Oof, look at this, dude. We're gonna get to 4,000 on the damn S&P over here. Very nice, dude. I'm expecting a really nice bullish day for tomorrow, Monday. I am holding Zoom calls through the weekend, so I'm really excited about this. If obviously 420 was a really hard spot. If we could gap up over 420 tomorrow and begin there, then that's awesome. And then what I'm looking at is obviously, so we'll come in a little bit bigger like this. So there's a little gap area right here. Once you get to 430, there's a little gap area right here from 430 up to like 442, 440. But I would like to get to 450. And the flow on Zoom on Friday was absolutely awesome, dude. So I don't know what I did with my page, but here it is. So Zoom and here you go. So Zoom so those 470s. There's also these 560s, but then there was also like a whole bunch of 460s in here, 450s. 460s, you could see were really aggressive all morning on Zoom on Friday. So I joined along with them, and I'm holding those for those right up tomorrow. So what you want to do is whenever you're trading, right, as far as the stop loss is concerned, you want to set your stop loss in an area where your thesis is invalidated. So I see the biggest problem a lot of newer traders have is whenever you're putting a stop loss, some of the information that you get is you should only risk about 1 to 3% of whatever your account is, but then your thesis is not invalidated within that 1 to 3%, right? So for instance, if we're playing something like let's see, like at Zoom on Zoom right here on Friday. So right here we had this really nice like kind of flag, and then we also had this little compression right here. So you could see clearly that in this area, this was the support, right? So you could see where it came down, and the price action was supported right here in this area right here around the 406, right? So then you get your trigger, and then you want this to go up. Say you want to grab some calls, or you want to long this, then you get in right here. You have to let the price action come below that area in order for it to invalidate your thesis. So your thesis would be, okay, the price action is holding the support here at this 406.40. If the price action breaks this level, then it validates the support. I'm going to go ahead and use my stop loss and go ahead and get out. So the thing is though, people will take the trade up here towards 409, and then they're risking 1 to 3% of their account, right? And the 1 to 3% is actually here at 407, and then the price action dips to the support and gets held, and then what happens? It goes in the direction you wanted once it validates that support that one last time, and it goes without you, and then you're frustrated, breaking your keyboard across the desk, right? So you got to take please don't play the breakout trades here where you have to risk more towards the support, because the price action can pull back towards the support, validate it, and then continue on its way. So you have to buy the dip towards the support, put your stop loss where your thesis is invalidated, and then you go. Does that make sense? Who shorts cancer? Yeah, that was our rule, bro. Even for good karma, I guess you shouldn't do that shit. So that's one example, dude. I don't know if there's like another one that we could look at, maybe Tesla. Ooh, this one's beautiful right here, bro. So this one is really nice. Let me right here. So let's do a little bit bigger time frame right here, right? So this was a really nice setup on Friday here on Tesla, and I had actually seen it, and one of my guys that was here in the office with me, he actually got it, but I was bumping my gums and I didn't see it, right? So basically what you're looking at then is let me do like this. So you have this area right here where the price action wants to validate a support. And again, one of the setups we have in my room is based off of these TTM dots, the MACD cross, and then the breakout here to the upside, right? So we have our trigger right here, cross dots right here, right? So say you start getting into this area right here, this 840, right? So say this is, and I can even put I'll put a triangle here for you, bro. Right, so I could turn it around and everything. So say this is your entry right here, right? I think it's Kimmy that's asking. Where would you put your stop loss if your entry was right here, dude? Do I ever play VIX options? No, I don't play VIX options. I do keep the VIX up all day though on another chart for sentiment to help me with the trades that I am taking though. My thoughts on GME, I hope it dies and goes bankrupt. So I don't know if you got it or not, but if your entry is right here, so I would actually use the one down here in this area, 839. So, oops, remove drawing or yeah, just do it. So right here, right? Because the price action is already proven. Yeah, so the price action has already proven that it'll go down to this level, right? So we know that there's buyers here in this level, and so your thesis for this to go long, right? Because this price action could keep on just waving sideways, dip down to this level again, and then take off, right? So you have to put your stop loss where your thesis is invalidated. You could show where the sellers are sitting here, right? So at this 839, and then so your thesis would, your stop loss would be right under this candle, right? So this is 830, it says 838.97. So you'd maybe make it 838.75 or something like that. 'Cause then you really know that your thesis is invalidated. So if you're buying at 840, you're risking like $2 in order for you to make $20. 840, yep, $24. So you're risking $2 in order for you to make $24. Does that fit your risk profile? Absolutely, right? So 1 to 3R. Even if you're playing up to the PDC right here, right? So this is 849. You're playing off of the 840. So you're making $9 with the $2 risk. Does that fit your 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio? Absolutely. Now the next step is that you have to make sure that this trade fits your actual account portfolio, right? If you take this trade right here and you're risking off of the 838 right here, is that 1 to 3% of your account portfolio? For a small account, it might be too big, right? So you may not be able to take this trade with your personal account. But is this still a good trade? Absolutely. It's just you can't afford that risk with your personal account. So you have to have those three things. You have to have your account portfolio fit that 1 to 3%, 1 to 3R risk to reward ratio on the return, and then you have to put your risk where the thesis is invalidated then on the support. Cool. Stop loss. Cool. What platform will be a good one to have? We trade and chart. We chart on Thinkorswim. So this is the Thinkorswim platform right here. And then I personally trade on DAS, so direct access software, for my executions. But a lot of my guys use Webull Some of them use like E-Trade. Some of them use interactive brokers. Some of them use things like that. But we all pretty much chart on Thinkorswim. Top 3 trades for tomorrow. So I'm still holding Zoom. I think that's the one that I'm looking at the most. Also liking like the stuff with Bitcoin. So Square to the upside here still. So need Square to break up above this all-time highs, the 246. If we could break this, we got 250 on deck, and then continue going there. And then also PayPal, PYPPL. So PayPal is over here, pretty extended, dude, but this is showing really bullish signs. I think this will continue to run also with as long as Bitcoin keeps on running up as well. So if Elon or whoever stops tweeting about doggy coin or whatever, bro, like you guys we gotta bail out of that. But those, and then Roku I like as well. So Roku trying to break above this 450 right here, guys. You could see where it tried 450 once, came back, reset here at 400. It's trying to get there again. So if we could see this volume go ahead and come in and break above this 450, I like this on Roku for that to break up as well. And I think that's it. Unless does anyone have any high beta names that you guys are trading for tomorrow? Not small caps or penny stocks or stuff like that. On the SPY, dude, right now, bro, we're looking really bullish, bro, on these futures, bro. I mean, story could change by the morning, but I mean, this is looking really nice, dude. So, nice little gap here so far, bro. I mean, we'll keep on playing the upside until it doesn't work no more. Generally Mondays are pretty bullish, so eBay. Ooh, pins is a good one. Excuse me. eBay. So I saw some flow on eBay as well the other day on this one. So let me see. And this isn't the best chart. I mean, I do like this pullback though, and for like where it came and held, and for this to start moving up, I do like that. But Go EV. What's the ticker for Go EV? Amazon. Amazon. I'm really frustrated with because I fat fingered a loss on Friday on this dang thing, dude. And I was actually right. I was trying to get this to move to the upside, and this was a really nice macro compression right here. So macro compression, move to the upside right here for, what is this, 100 some points or something. So I really do like that. I like where this was going. This actually held sideways for like 1 day and a half a day, and then it moved up. So yes, I could see where we could start making this way above 3360. Right here at this 3363, you can see where this was support. This was support. That's going to be your resistance. We have to get over that 3360 in order for us to keep on going up on Amazon. But I do really like that, dude. I'm just a little jaded at it, and you can see we're kind of trying to make this these higher lows now for us to get this breakout to the upside. So at least it's going in a direction. It's not just kind of going sideways anymore. KN or CANOO. There's no ticker under that one, bro. Oh, Go EVW. I don't see it, bro. Or is it CANO? Oh, here it is. Go. I don't know too much about this one here, bro, but this is oh, it's an IPO. Yeah, I don't have an opinion on this one, bro. There's not enough information on this chart, and it's just kind of going sideways right here. I don't know what it is, so I won't call anything on this one. I don't know enough about it. Yeah. Pins, I do like pins, dude. This buying at this bottom of the dip from the profit taking of earnings on Friday was absolutely awesome right here, bro. So this bounce was really nice right here off of the resistance from the day before prior. Bounce off of right here, and then for this to continue up, I think that I was making jokes in the room that I think that even so far we've had Lemonade, we've had GameStop, and now we have Pinterest get over 100 before AMD does. So I think that'll be funny. So I do like this. It had the support really well. 80 will be your support, and then for this to move up, and then just to show you guys the flow on pins. So you can see here, this is 95, right? So that they took in here 95, 77.50 calls, and yeah, so 95, 85 is in there as well. So yeah, so I do think that it does get to 100. It's just a matter of how and when. Plug. Dude, this is a really nice setup, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. This is I want this to go so bad, bro. Like, there's two ways that this could play out here, bro. So we got the huge flag right here, right? So you could see flagpole, flag right, compression here probably if I come over the daily. Yep, compression. It just needs to move, a little bit to the upside, right? So I really do like that. Any type of positive catalyst is gonna send it back up. So I could see it like that, but then on the bearish sentiment, right? It's also a head and shoulder. So head, shoulder, shoulder, and then if this gets anywhere near, so if this 55 will be your neckline for it to come back down, but this could actually come back down to like $60 first before it actually does anything. So you have to be watching it probably around the 65 area for it to break down, and then 60 if it's going to continue going down. But if it continues to make higher lows, then we may get that breakout. So there's a thesis for both ways. You got to be objective to think of what the other person and what the other traders are thinking of as well. So if you can't be too far biased on one side, you got to think objective of the other side as well. Yeah, play the upside till it doesn't work no more, bro. Like, some more blue corn tortillas, bro. Oh, I need some of them blue corn tortillas, bro. I haven't even eaten yet, bro. So to be honest, I need to go eat. I've been here all day. If you guys, after this, if you guys could go watch my video on how to set up your Thinkorswim for your newer guys that are trading on Thinkorswim, go check out my video I just put on YouTube, guys, on how to set up your platform for trading Thinkorswim. Please leave me a comment and a like. I would appreciate it, and I'll put in a good word with you for Santa for this year. If you do it for me, I appreciate it. Thank you. AMC, bro, we're not even pulling up AMC anymore, dude. If you have AMC, sell it, dude. Like, please don't hold AMC any lower than what it already is, dude. More downside. Givo. This is pretty nice right here, bro. You could see where this is kind of like a flag. Also, kind of the same thing as that plug, right? So, head, shoulder, shoulder, and then this could start pulling back. Now, the bullish thesis is a little bit stronger on this one because you have the higher lows, right? So it's holding trend really well. So it could hold around this $11, $11.25 or so, and then make another run up. But there's room for the thesis the other way as well. They do Givo. Yeah, they just did. Ooh, they don't have any significant debt. Serious. Um, yeah, that's interesting, dude. So that's my take on that one. Mm, Riot, yeah, absolutely. The all the Bitcoin sympathies here, guys. I would be playing this. Actually, I called this actually pretty good to a T. We were talking about this. I think the STOCKcast maybe a week or two ago. I said cup and handle, right? So cup, we kind of got this weird ass handle right here with the higher lows. Our breakout point is right here at this 25 point. So I do like where it had the support. So any type of dip towards this level of 2180 or so, buy that up and for that run up. And then your risk would be probably like you'd have to risk towards like this 21 or so on the macro. Jet fuel. Yeah, right. Yeah, excuse me. The Jivo's jet fuel. Yes. My. Yeah, Riot, Mara. So all the Bitcoin stuff, dude. Dude, keep on playing until it doesn't work. Almost the same exact setup right here on Riot. So this one is a little bit better. The breakout point isn't so far away, so this could actually gap up and you'd be good to go here on this Riot. What does the micro macro indicator do? It tells me trend strength. So it tells me it helps me stay in a trade for as long as possible. Cool. BYND, yes. Actually, yeah. So this on BYND, so this will actually start being pretty nice here for another little bump up right here, bro. So yeah, we may see a pretty good move on that. Snap had earnings last week, right? Yeah, Snap broke above the 50 and what have you there. So they're actually doing pretty good, dude. So I would like it for a little bit of a pullback to get in. So if we could get a pullback to, oops, I put a wrong one. We could get a pullback to like right here. That, or even like in this area right here. That would, so in that zone right here would be nice for it to continue going up. Fiverr. How do I use the TTM? So I use the TTM almost inversely of what John does. So the way John actually made for the TTM to work is whenever you get these dots here, those are no buy signals. So that's when there's low volatility in the market. Those are actually my triggers to get in. The market doesn't like whenever something trends or consolidates or compresses and goes sideways. So whenever we get these periods of low volatility, coupled with a support level, then that tells me to be able to go ahead and get in. We're going to get a breakout. Now the TTM doesn't necessarily signify on its own that the direction of the breakout. So it could break out and go down, or it could break out and go up. So this right here, these are actually your MACD lines. And so whenever the trigger line crosses up or down, then that tells you the direction of the breakout, and then I get in and I can make the move. Who won the Super Bowl? I don't know, dude. Would you just buy a limit stop? I buy limit stop sometimes. Sometimes I buy market. FSR. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, this is really nice right here, bro. This is really tight compression, but this has been going on for a long time, bro. We'll have to keep this on watch right here. Is SMTS, are they a lithium mining company? I don't really like this chart right here, dude. Just kind of stuck right here at the 375 and then support here. So honestly, I would like for this to actually break down more than it go up. Copper? Yeah, so honestly, it'll probably find support and go up than if it's copper, but I just don't like the way this chart is. So, but yeah, I mean, I see what you're looking at here, dude. I see the support here at this 311 to $3. As long as it holds above $3, if you buy the dips right here for it to break above 4, this may be a pretty good longer hold type trade. So, may work. FVRR. This is gonna be my last one I go over here, guys, and then I'm gonna go eat. Fiverr. This is pretty cool, dude. So, I don't know necessarily the balance sheet of Fiverr, but they got downgraded right here. Yeah, they got downgraded right there. But so the way I would play this is a cup and handle type pattern. So you have this cup. It's probably gonna get up here towards this 280, right? Once it gets to the 280, it'll pull back for a little bit and then go for the breakout probably to 300. So if it could continue going further up. So that's the way I would play it. So wait for the pullback, the rejection of the 280, and then get in for the breakout here of the all-time highs, okay? RE. Dude, I'm not even gonna look at something that's under $1, bro. Yeah, I mean, if they can't get their stuff together to even be valued at over $1, bro, then I'm not gonna look at it. Awesome, guys. I appreciate you guys all being here, taking time away from the Super Bowl and what your guys' friends and family, whatever you guys are doing. I hope you guys don't get too crazy, don't get too drunk, don't, if you're drinking, don't drive, and hopefully we see you guys all for the open tomorrow. Don't get too crazy, all right? Check out you. Yeah, this one might be good, dude, because this was previous resistance that I would like to support here. It's already trying to do it, so this may start curling back up right here a little bit early, but yeah, this may start curling back up right here. So I don't know what this is. Unity software, yeah, but yeah, that's the way I would play that. Cool. This dude said idiot. If everyone could go and talk crap to Christian, since he lives in his mom's basement and is sad that he lost money on AMC. Poor dude. RIP, bro. I'm sorry, dude. Life sucks. Well, gonna go enjoy my life, though. I'm not bag holding any AMC or GME. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night. We'll see you guys tomorrow for the market open. Friday, we will trade live together. If you guys want to come for the TGIF stream, we trade live every Friday if you want to come hang out. And then we'll do the STOCKcast again next Sunday if you want to come hang out then as well, all right? Till then, take it easy, guys. We'll see you for the open.